What up, Flip Music? This is Eric Ramos, aka Eric Ruckus, 28 years old, representing Malabala City, Bukidnon, Mindanao, / Mandaluyong, the crazy city. I want to be a part of the Flip Music family because you make the same music that I wanted to do ever since I was in high school rapping. I mean, you got all the great rappers in the Philippines today, and I really think I could be one of them, or at least work with them. Shoutouts to Champ Peralta, Sir Bo Jams, Mr. Blaze for the chorus. Great music, by the way. Let's get it on.
This beat is for Flip Music Rap Star 2015.
Yeah.
Yo!
What's up?
You ready to do this?
Hell yeah.
Can you recognize game from the knee?
Let's get it on, man.
It's over now.
Cause it's about time, humbly struggling, waiting for you to plug in my mic. I've been patiently battling all of my fears. Now I got a chance to take on the life that's meant for me who's praying at night. God to show me the way in the light. Now I know that the timing is right, but I'm hungry as hell and the money is tight. So many years I've been hustling, tears screaming and cussing. Too many songs, too many mixtapes. 28 years old now, am I too late? But I was born for high stakes. All of the wrong and the mistakes that I have done to get to this place. Never stop running cause I never had breaks. Frequency competition against all these rappers and all their ambitions against me. Just another suicide mission cause I just got out, but I'm already killing opposers' dreams cause I'm your nightmare. Freddy and Jason with no hair, running away like pussies like when I turn off the lights off downstairs. This is the beginning of the awakening of the real one and the monster. Y'all better listen cause this is a warning. Arrival of Eric the Ruckus and I'm gonna tear this bitch up on stage. Side of the cross when you see my face. Listen cause I got ain't to say you will set you on fire just like Mr. Blaze. Damn. I'm talking about, man. Yo. Ilang taon din akong nakatago, parang halimaw sa banga. Kinakatakutan dahil lang sa aking tato at aketa aking muka. Mga kawawang walang alam at mga ignoranteng tanga-tanga. Paano pa kaya pag inyong nabasa ang mga salita dito sa aking kanta? Inaabangan ng mga pangalan nila kung tinitira ko ba. Lalo kang kakabahan, may magkakabulan na pusa at daga dyan sa loob na inyong dibdib na trip kong pulbusin. Pagtalikod ko dito ilan ng sekundo ako na inyong usapin. Mistulang saling kit-kit na nagpupumilit para lang ako ay makasali. Isang buong linggo na nagtuon. Baka sakali ako'y makabawi sa oras na nabuhos at ang pera na nagastos ko. Para lang ako ay makaakyat dyan sa entablado nyo. Para meron nagbuhos ng mantika sa bawat habang nahagdan nito. Pinilit pa rin akyatin ng sapatos ko na hindi uso. Pang businessman ng diskarte, respetadong ala Duterte. At kung tapang ang pag-uusapan ay baka lamunin ka lamang ng akin. Yeah. Limo sa mikropono. Eric Ruckus, man. I'll be one of the top 8 Flip Music Rap Star 2015. Watch for it. Peace.